Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to install Git on Windows. Okay, so I've got steps here. So step one is go to the Git website. So I have this website opened. So let me just open it here. And step two is download Git for Windows. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download Git for Windows. So click the download button. It auto-detects Windows. Actually, if I look at this page, I can just click on download this button here. So we are installing this version. So the version is 2.49.0. So let me click on download for Windows. And here it says click here to download this version. So Git for Windows. This is the most recent maintained build. It was released over 2 months ago. Okay, so let me click on this link, click here to download. So now it's downloading and it's gonna take a few minutes. So I'm just gonna fast forward the video. Okay, looks like it's done. The next step is run the installer. So double click the download file to start installation. Okay, download file, start the installation. So I'm gonna click yes. And step 4 is just follow the wizard or setup wizard. So click next through most steps. Default settings or options are fine. Okay, so next. So as you can see, I previously installed Git. So I'm gonna say yes. And then I'm just gonna click yes here. Yes, next. So here, let me just go back. Yeah, here I can, so that would be step 5. So select your preferred code editor. So I'm selecting Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. So next. So I'm gonna click next. So this is step number 6. So choose Git from the command line and also from third-party software. So this is selected by default, which is recommended. So I'm just gonna click next. Next here. Next. Install. So now it's installing. So this is gonna take a few minutes and I'm just gonna fast forward the video. Okay, so completing the Git setup wizard. So it's now completed. So setup has finished. Installing Git on your computer, the application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. So I'm not gonna select the installed shortcuts. I'm just gonna say finish. So next step, which is, so this is done, is step number 7. So how do we verify that Git has been installed properly or successfully? So we can do that by opening Git Bash or command prompt, and we can type git -- version, and we should see the installed version. So I'm gonna just click Git here. So we can see that now we have Git Bash, Git GUI, and Git CMD. So, and I have these tools here. So tools installed with Git for Windows. So Git Bash, Git CMD, and Git GUI. So of course, Git Bash is a Unix-style terminal for Git commands. So Git CMD is Git available inside a Windows command prompt. So this is like similar to Windows command prompt. And we also have Git GUI, so a graphical interface to manage Git repositories. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use command prompt. And so as this step says, I'm gonna type git -- version. And the version is, like we saw earlier, is 2.49.0. All right, so that's how you install Git on Windows. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.